Welcome to Activities in Portugal. Today we are going to be visiting the beautiful Cascais. Just 30 minutes from Lisbon lies Cascais, a charming seaside town that once caught the eye of King Louis I. Back in the 1870s, he made it his royal getaway every single September, and honestly, who could blame him? Fast forward to today and Cascais is still a summer paradise, now adored by locals, wealthy expats and sun seekers from all over the world. It's not called the Portuguese Riviera for nothing. This picturesque spot has fairy tale architecture, fabulous shopping, mouth-watering restaurants and of course, gorgeous beaches that will have you staying all day. We would love it if you would like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to ask below in the comment section. Let's dive into all the fun things that you can do in Cascais. Summer escape awaits. On the doorstep of Cascais lies a string of glorious sandy beaches just waiting to sweep you off your feet. The Estoril coast is home to some of the most popular beaches near Lisbon, so much so that during peak summer it feels like the entire city has decided to head for the waves. One of the most popular beaches is Praia da Rainha, which literally means the Queen's Beach. And yes, it's as regal as it sounds. In the 1880s, this sandy slice of heaven was the private retreat of Queen Maria Amelia during the reign of her husband, King Carlos I of Portugal. Add it to your list, you cannot visit Cascais without soaking in some royal vibes. Praia de Cascais, which is the beach closest to the town, is perfect for families. Thanks to its calm, shallow waters and soft golden sands, it's ideal for kids to splash and play safely. It's located right in the heart of Cascais. It offers easy access to nearby cafes, restaurants and facilities, ensuring a stress-free day out. Feeling adventurous? Head to Praia de Guimarães, a wild beauty about 9 kilometers from Cascais. With its strong winds and rolling waves, this spot is a paradise for surfers, windsurfers and kite surfers. Whether you're after sunbathing, water sports or a scenic coastal walk, the beaches of Cascais deliver it all. So pack your swimsuit and sunscreen, these shores are calling your name. Estoril is a glamorous coastal town right next to Cascais. It's famous for its golden beaches, elegant casino and stylish vibes. Once a royal retreat, it's now a hotspot for visitors seeking relaxation, fine dining and a vibrant nightlife. Since opening its doors in 1916, Casino Estoril has been steeped in intrigue. During World War II, it became the ultimate gathering spot for spies. Add in displaced European royals and you've got a scene straight out of a 007 movie. Speaking of Bond, this casino was the real-life inspiration behind Ian Fleming's World of Espionage. Today, Casino Estoril is the largest casino in continental Europe, offering restaurants, cocktail bars and all the games your heart desires. It's an absolute must-do in Cascais. To keep the Bond theme going, you can head over to the glamorous Hotel Palácio Estoril, the filming location for the 1968 Bond classic On Her Majesty's Secret Service. Ian Fleming himself stayed here during the war, using it as the backdrop for Bond's legendary adventures. Stay here and you'll feel like 007 himself. Looking for a perfect blend of relaxation, fun and a dash of culture? Well, this park has it all. Once the grounds of 2 historical estates, this sprawling green oasis is a gem in the heart of Cascais. From lush gardens to serene lakes, it's a nature lover's dream. But it's not just about the scenery. Families can enjoy playgrounds, while sporty touts will love the tennis courts and fitness areas. There's even a mini zoo, home to peacocks, ducks and other feathered friends, a hit with animal lovers. The park also comes alive with cultural events and seasonal festivals, bringing the community together for some fun. And if you're craving a bit of history, pop into the Castro Guimarães Museum to explore Cascais' richest past. So whether you're after a peaceful stroll or some playful energy, this park has something for everyone. The Cascais Farol, aka the Santa Maria Lighthouse, is more than just a beacon for sailors. It's a true Cascais icon. Perched dramatically on the edge of the Atlantic, this charming white and blue striped lighthouse has been guiding ships since the 19th century. Standing 20 metres tall, it's an unmissable feature of the coastline, perfect for snapping those envy-worthy photos. But there's more. Since 2007, the Santa Maria Lighthouse Museum has been wowing visitors with fascinating insights into Cascais maritime history. Explore how lighthouses evolve, discover old school navigation techniques, and get a peek into the lives of the keepers who once called this place home. With its unbeatable ocean views and rugged cliffs, this spot is an ideal place for a wander or just to sit with your own thoughts. So whether you're a history buff or just love a good ocean breeze, the Cascais Farol is a must visit. Where the yachts are as plentiful as the good vibes. Nestled in the charming coastal town of Cascais, this marina is a hotspot for sailing enthusiasts, tourists and anyone who loves a dash of luxury. With space for over 600 sleek yachts, it's a perfect place to watch the boats glide in while you relax by the water. Hungry? The marina is lined with waterfront restaurants, bars and cafes, so you can dine in style with a beautiful Atlantic view. So whether you're here to explore Cascais' nearby attractions, savour a seaside cocktail, or just daydream about owning one of the beautiful boats, Cascais Marina is a perfect blend of leisure, luxury and laid-back coastal charm. Come for the boats, but stay for the bliss. Welcome to the Cascais Citadel, where history meets coastal charm in the most delightful way. This impressive fortress, built in the late 16th century, was designed to protect the town from pirates and invaders. But today it's all about good vibes and stunning views. As you stroll through the Citadel's cobbled pathways, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The vibrant buildings and lush gardens create a picturesque backdrop, perfect for those Instagram moments. But it's not just about the views. This lively spot is also home to art galleries, charming shops and cozy cafes where you can sip a coffee while soaking in the atmosphere. Whether you're wandering the ramparts, enjoying the sea breeze or simply taking in the sights, the Cascais Citadel is a must-visit destination that perfectly blends history with a dash of modern flair. So grab your camera and get ready for a fun-filled day in this captivating coastal fortress. Get ready to feast your eyes and your taste buds on this delicious dining scene in Cascais. This coastal gem is not just about the stunning views, it's also a foodie paradise. From fresh seafood to mouth-watering pastries, there's something here to tickle every palate. So start your day with a visit to a charming cafe for a flaky pastel di nata. Perfect fuel to start your day exploring the picture postcard that is Cascais. Picture cobbled streets, colourful Portuguese houses and grand palaces, all nestled by the sea. From quirky manuel windows to chic modern buildings, the town's architecture of Cascais is a playful mix of old and new. It's pure eye candy at every single turn. Coastline as the westernmost point of Europe. This wild and rugged landscape is often dubbed the edge of the world, and trust us, it lives up to the hype. Towering cliffs rise dramatically up to 140 meters above sea level, offering jaw-dropping views that will make your heart skip a beat. To get there, hop on the bus route 403 from Cascais. The ride alone is a singing treat, but once you arrive, you'll be greeted by raw, untamed beauty that is simply spellbinding. So whether you're snapping photos, soaking in the views, or just feeling the ocean breeze, Cabo Da Roca is an absolute must-see. It will leave you in awe of nature's grandeur. Do not miss out on this adventure. It's a trip to the edge that you will never forget.